What would an extra $1K a month do for you? For some, it's freedom. For others, it's security. For me, it was the moment I stopped relying on brand deals and started building my own influencer income stream. I wasn't born with a huge audience. I was working full-time, creating content when I could, and praying a video would go viral. But I realized, virality doesn't pay bills, consistency does. And ChatGPT helped me stay consistent. I used it to map out 30 days of content in minutes. I used it to write hooks like the one you're hearing now. And most importantly, I used it to create a digital product that solved a problem for my followers. That one product brought me my first $1K. Here's the formula. Identify one problem your followers have. Ask ChatGPT to help you outline and create a solution, whether it's a guide, a course, or a template. Share your story. People connect with you, not just the product. Promote it consistently with content, and let the sales stack. Influencers, you don't need millions of followers to make money. You need strategy. And ChatGPT is the tool that makes it possible. Ready to hit your first $1K? Click the link in my bio and let's make it happen together.